Time now for the Executive Edge as we have a new read on small business in America. Kate Rogers is back at CNBC HQ with the latest numbers from the NFIB. Good morning.
Hey there, Joe. Good morning. The index bouncing back from the losses seen last month to start the new year at 104.3. That's an increase of 1.6 points. As you can see here, this is how optimism has been tracking over the past year. Last month's reading well above the group's historical average of 98, about 4 points below the all-time high that we hit in the summer of 2018. Now, the NFIB adds that this is in the top 10% of all readings in the survey's history. The biggest gains this month were in those who expected higher sales in the next 3 months, followed by earnings trends and job creation numbers. Now, the biggest losses this month were in those who expect that the economy will improve. A small decrease, though, as uncertainty has stabilized. Now, skilled labor is still a major issue. 26% of businesses say it's their single most important problem. That number's near record highs, followed up by taxes and then government red tape and regulations. This has been the case, as we all know, for about a year now, as businesses continue to raise wages in order to hang on to the workers that they have in this tight labor market. Now, the biggest risk to the record run of optimism here is the potential global implications of the coronavirus. That's something that the NFIB says it's monitoring closely. Guys, back over to you.
Hey, Kate, how long is there traditionally a lag? I'm just trying to figure out why there'd be a big increase. Is that because the trade deal came through? And then how long do you think it would take before coronavirus fears kind of work their way into these things?
You know, it's interesting, Becky. I had expected to hear from the group that more businesses were concerned about coronavirus. Right now, they're just kind of monitoring it. I'm also wondering if businesses had kind of shifted their supply chain in the wake of all the trade back and forth that we've seen over the past few years. Trade had come up a few times throughout the course of the index. Now they're mentioning coronavirus. I think we'll have to see if this intensifies even more or if things kind of calm down over the next month. So I'd see either next month or the month after that could possibly show up. But right now they're just saying that they're monitoring.